very straightforward. I'm gonna list 9 blockages, 9 blocking energies that are staying between you and your desired reality and preventing you from aligning with the frequency of your desired reality, with your highest potential, with your best version fully. Make sure you stick around because this is going to be comprehensive but also very straightforward. And at the end, you will have an awakening moment, so bear with me and also let me know if you think you can top up my list. Comment below and share what other blockages you're aware of. Let's get into the video. So there is only one obstacle between you and your desired reality, which is you. No one else, no other circumstances, no other life events, anything else other than you is in between you and your desired reality. Trust me, I know you're trying to complain and put the blame on other things like people, your circumstances, because this is easy, this is what we humans do. Imagine how uncomfortable and difficult it would be to accept that we are unlimited, pure potential. Do you think your mind could even comprehend that? Of course not. So every time when you try to think about why something is not happening, you put the blame on other things because it's easier to comprehend. Otherwise, if you would accept that everything in your reality, your current reality, is a product of your feelings, thoughts, and emotions, that would be harsh, right? It wouldn't be that easy to accept, acknowledge, comprehend, cope with it, because it's mentally a burden that every moment, every second, you are creating the reality. Everybody who unfairly treated you, everything that you don't have yet, and everything that is not happening, that you're not able to accomplish yet, is because of you. So that would be really, really difficult for us to understand that. So rather, we prefer to be limited. We prefer to associate ourselves with our limited body, minds, thoughts, feelings, and our circumstances, because it's easier. But the harsh reality that we all need to accept and embrace is that the 3D reality is a product of your existence, your state of being, your frequency. Whenever I tell you your thoughts, feelings, and actions, please think in terms of energy, vibration, frequency. These are not just words, or these are not just materials. These are all just energy. And this is not just merely a body. This is a form of energy, right? Don't believe in your perception. It's not what you see it is. It's not. So the blockages that you build against your full potential, love, as Rumi says, and your desired reality, where you will be feeling love, joy, relaxation, and gratitude and serenity, that vibration of love, enlightenment, peace. This is the frequency of your desired reality. You're going to feel whole, in unity, fulfilled, peaceful, grateful. When we talk about the desired reality, think about the frequency, the feelings, emotions. When we say thoughts, feelings, and actions, think about the energy. Think about the vibration. The first energy is that wanting something. If you want anything, in terms of the universe's language, jargon, it means you don't have it yet. So every time you say, I want something, you vibrate at the frequency of lack, need, scarcity. Even when you think that you have some, but you don't have enough, or you could have more, or you would like to have more, it still means you are not whole yet. But the frequency you're trying to align with is wholeness, fulfillment, completeness. So please take out the word want from your language, like forget about it, and just rather focus on the intention. You don't need or want for anything because you're already full, fulfilled, whole, complete, right? The second is emotional attachment. Every time you attach an emotion to your desires, another person, money, materials, you set that energy as a blockage. It remains between you and your desired reality like a bodyguard. It doesn't allow anything else to come into your reality. Every time you don't get it and see it in your current reality, you feel disappointed, you get angry, you feel shame, you feel powerless. So these emotions are dragging you down. What you can do instead is regulating your nervous system and not attaching too much emotions to anything else outside of you. And from here, the third one comes as these low vibrational emotions like shame, guilt, anger, apathy, depression. You have to find your inner peace. You must, because in your desired reality, you have that inner peace. Yeah? You're not angry. You're not resentful. You don't feel shame, guilt. Align with that emotion. Align with these energies. Okay? And fourth comes the feelings, emotions, and thoughts we associated with our past. So these are the ones that we couldn't properly process. And when you can't process your emotions, the trauma is stored in the body. And when you can't process your thoughts, these are stored as beliefs, mostly limiting beliefs, in our subconscious. These are the ones that holds excessive emotion. If it wasn't that much of an emotion attached to it, it will be easier to process. When you don't set yourself free from your past, when you don't forgive, ask for forgiveness, let go of the resentment, anger, guilt, shame, your limiting beliefs, these will keep dragging you down, and it's going to be really difficult to reach the source energy, the God's vibration, and those highest frequencies like love, serenity, peace, enlightenment, because you're acting from your ego being. So you really need to detach from your ego self altogether. The fifth is your dark side. We all have this dark side. It's our shadow. Even though you consciously choose your new story, your shadow is self-sabotaging every time you step out of your comfort zone. So let go of your victim mentality, pain, and the stories of being a failure. Your shadow is living by these stories. Those don't serve you anymore. So I invite you to let them go. The sixth, and the one that I love the most, is distrust. At the core of universal flow, energy flow, reality creation lies trust, belief, unconditional belief. Distrust is towards you as well as the universe, the system, how the universe operates for you, how everything is working out for you. So whenever you're trying to control the outcome, control the reality, control other people, and you're anxious about uncertainty, your future, it's a proof that you're not trusting the universe, yourself. It's a proof that you have a low self-concept. It's a proof that you see this reality only from the 3D dimension. You're sinking distrust. You gotta get your shit together. You gotta trust yourself. Trust the universe. Trust your miracles. You gotta think from a 4th dimension, a 5th dimension, a 6th dimension. Number 7 is again another form of attachment, which is external validation. You are dependent on materials, circumstances, the reality, people to change and confirm to you. This is your belief that a material, a reality, a circumstance, a person, a bag, a car, a house, a trip is gonna make your life or yourself better. I think you already know what that means, right? It means I'm not my best self yet, I'm not my full potential yet, I'm not whole yet, I'm not enough yet. I need something to validate me. You don't need their validations. You don't need any validation other than yours. So learn validating yourself. Trust me, you're gonna feel much more better. The 8 was the test of my life. Literally, it was the test that I've been through and through again and again and again and again. So I'm kind of a master on this. It's again attachment, but I'm gonna use another wording for this, which is not letting it go. This is also a form of attachment, but you need to see it from a different angle, and I'm gonna help you do that. So you know how flow is change itself, and energy is always moving, and change is constant. There's the only thing that is not changing is the change itself. Everything is changing. So your thoughts, feelings, actions, circumstances, the reality, everything is changing. So this is the flow of life. This is the flow of the universe. And it's that energy flow within the body and outside the body that's bringing the new reality, right? That's also how the new desired reality comes to you and manifests itself. So when you're trying to hold on to your current reality, the status quo, a person, a material, or your stories, even your stories, when you're trying to hold on to that, you are resisting the flow. If you want something new to come into your life, if you want to receive, you gotta open yourself up to everything, literally everything, which might mean you need to let go of the past. You need to let go of your old self. You need to let go of your old stories. You need to let go of a person that you dearly love. You need to let go of your highly paying job, your car, or anything. You need to let it go sometimes, even though it doesn't feel like a burden or a blockage, or you still think that it's serving you. Sometimes it's better to refreshen up. So just let it be, go, do whatever, however it likes, and just don't resist. Okay, it's a passive action. Just let it be the way it is. Let the flow the way as it wants. Let everything be as it is. Just don't resist. Last but not least is your reactions. Reaction is a signature of victim mentality. A person with a victim mindset thinks that the life is happening to her and there is nothing she can do about it. She can't change circumstances, she can't change other people. She's resentful. Why all the unfair things are happening to her? Yeah, you know the story. You got to accept that you are the creator of your reality. What we talked in the beginning. You are the alchemist. You are playing with your energies, thoughts, feelings, and emotions. You are choosing them or not choosing them. You are reacting or not reacting. You are attaching emotions or not. You are staying resentful to your past or not. You are healing your shadow or not. And all of these happening inside of you is only projecting and reflecting back to the world. This is what you see, this is what you perceive from the 3D reality, yourself. So instead of complaining and reacting to it, own your reality, own your subconscious mind, own your limiting beliefs, own your shadow side, own every second, own the now, and own what you choose to create in this present moment, because it's all your creation. So without taking full responsibility for everything in the 3D, it's not possible to believe fully in your creation power, your source energy, your fullest potential, which is unlimited. If you want to trust that, you really have to let go of your victim mindset and stop reacting to your circumstances. You need to respond. You need to come up with a solution. You need to look at it from a higher perspective, not from the 3D dimension. Look at it from the 4th, 5th, 6th dimensions. You need to see yourself and your life, this very moment, from the POV of your highest version, because she can connect the dots. She knows better. She is wiser. These are the 9 blockages that you build against your full potential, highest frequency, God's vibration, your source energy, yourself, your true self. If you remove them, you're gonna see miracles, because you are already miraculous. You are the miracle itself. You being here, you being born, you being awake every morning is already a miracle, and you are the one who's creating it. So own your miracles, have some trust in yourself and trust in the universe. Just open your heart to receive. You're gonna get everything you want because you already have them within. So just remove the blockages, okay? Remove the blockages. You don't need to do anything else. Remove the blockages, the limiting beliefs, emotions, attachments, the wants and needs. Remove all of them. You'll begin receiving instantly. So don't forget to comment below if you have more to add to my list, and let others know, and grow together and flourish together and expand the human consciousness together. I'm so grateful for you being here. If you want to work one-on-one with me and align your reality with your true potential, check out my links below. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.